This video demonstrates how to add image collection to map by serialized JSON object. Instructions is provided in the markdown file. Let's go to the Windows machine. Okay, in the previous run, which is add image collection to map by set ID, I have loaded this cannot crop land cover data. Then I saved a serialized JSON file, which is this one. And then you can see here I applied filters. Filter by date. Okay, let's go to the ArcPro. In this data exploration tools, there's add image collection to map by serialized object. From here, we just select folders, KFC demo. Then the filter is already applied. And then we can select one of it. So not cover. Gonna skip those visualization parameters and the run. Okay, then it loads the land cover for 2018. Compare the difference between these two datasets. Make sure that we load a different one. Okay.